Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be telling you what to do if your page numbers are not showing in your InDesign documents. So let's get right into it. So I've created this dummy design document, and you can see here that I have page 1. If I go to the next page, there's no page 2. If I go to the next page, there's page 3. If I go to the next page, there's no page 4, and then if I go to the last page, there's page 5. So on some pages my page number is not showing. So how do I fix that? The reason it's not showing is because I've added like a background to page 2 and page 4, so the background image is covering the page. So how do we fix that? It's very simple. We are going to move the page to a different layer. All right, so we're going to go to pages, double click on apparent, which is where the master page is, where you did your page. All right, so once you're there, go to layers, then create a new layer, layer 2, then take this page and move it to layer 2. So once it's on layer 2, go back to pages, double click on this page 1, and you can see now we have page 1 here. Now we have page 2. Can you see that? Page 3 has always been there. Now we have page 4. Alright, so that's basically how to fix it. All you have to do is move your page number in your master page to a layer that is above every other layer. Alright, so that's basically how to fix it. Catch you in the next video. Peace.